I read the menu carefully. I read the menu carefully. I order my food. I order my food. What is special today? What is special today? I would prefer soft drinks. I would prefer soft drinks. First, bring salad and soup. First, bring salad and soup. I eat slowly. I eat slowly. Are you ready to order? Are you ready to order? Please give me some water. Please give me some water. The food smells delicious. The food smells delicious. I like this restaurant. I like this restaurant. The table is clean. The table is clean. Please serve the dinner. Please serve the dinner. I am feeling hungry. I am feeling hungry. This dish is very tasty. This dish is very tasty. Can I see the bill? Can I see the bill? Please bring the dessert. Please bring the dessert. I want extra sauce. I want extra sauce. The soup is hot. The soup is hot. Let us share the meal. Let us share the meal. I enjoy my dinner. I enjoy my dinner. The waiter is polite. The waiter is polite. Please pack the leftovers. Please pack the leftovers. I need a spoon and fork. I need a spoon and fork. This place is crowded. This place is crowded. We are waiting for food. We are waiting for food. The pizza looks amazing. The pizza looks amazing. I love this flavor. I love this flavor. Please make it less spicy. Please make it less spicy.